Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my channel. My name is Cathy and I'm really excited to show you this video. This is a video about redoing my living room, and I also redecorated it for fall, even though fall weather isn't really here yet. It's 100 degrees out today, but it's coming. I can feel it. So my whole idea in remaking this living room, or redoing it, upgrading it, is more the terminology I would say, is I want it to be comfortable. I want it to be inviting. I wanted people to feel like they could kick back, put their feet up on my ottoman, put their glass on my table. I don't care. Just make yourself at home. Just be totally relaxed, because that's the environment that I want to live in, and that's the environment that I want my friends and family to feel like when they come over. So I really didn't put a whole lot of money into this remake. I pulled out a lot of things from storage, which, as you get older, you accumulate a lot of things. So if you go through a lot of your things in storage, you'll find, believe me, you'll find things to decorate with. Some of the things that were in style 20 years ago are now back in style. Not that I really care about that. The only thing I want is things to look peaceful. And I love to go down memory lane. I display things that people make for me, things that I made myself, and just warm and cozy, fuzzy things that make you feel good, especially on a cold fall day or a winter day. So I hope you watch this video and I hope you enjoy it, because it was sure a lot of fun doing it. Thank you. So in keeping with the beautiful color palette, I found a rug with these wonderful colors in it. The blues and the rust colors and the beige. It's just really gorgeous. So I started with the rug, and I had green couches which needed a makeover, so I slip covered them with beige slip covers and made a huge difference. The next thing I had to do was change the color of the gold accent wall. The gold just clashed with the rug, so I opted to paint it a light taupe color, and it actually turned out much better. Now let's talk about this recliner. I've had this recliner since I purchased the house, which was about 20 years ago. And initially I thought I could just put a slipcover on it, which I did, and it did look pretty good. But in the long run, I decided just to go and buy a new recliner. And fortunately, I purchased this recliner at Ashley Furniture. It was a floor model, and so I got a really good deal on it. And it has lumbar support, which really helps when you have a sore back. So the next thing I did was look around my house and see what decor elements I could put on my shelves in the living room, and I came up with some interesting things with texture, things that came out of like potpourri that I had. I also displayed some old photographs that I had from a long time ago and found some interesting frames to put them in. And I love going to Goodwill to see what kind of things I could find. And one day I was in there and I found some salt and pepper shakers that looked like leaves. And I thought they would look perfectly on my shelves. I kept this picture on the wall that I've had on there for several years. It's a picture that I purchased from Pier 1 a long time ago. And I really like this picture because of the trees. It reminds me of winter and fall. Now, one of the best parts about decorating for me are the throw pillows. These throw pillows I've had for a while. I love the embroidery on this pillow. It really adds a unique element to it. I look for pillows that have different colors, different patterns, different unique elements to them. And of course, they have to be very comfortable, especially for my dogs. They have to be dog approved, even though I don't keep these pillows on that couch all the time because I don't want them to get ruined. This pillow has magnificent embroidery on it, and I just love the texture of it. My little dog Lily loves the pillows, and she knows when I'm taking her picture, and she refuses to look at me. And here's a cute little dish that I bought at TJ Maxx, and I love the gold rim around it. So I put a little straw pumpkin in there. And what would fall mean without a cozy throw blanket? And I also have a cute little embroidered pillow that my sister made for me. It's hand embroidered, and I just love little treasures like that. I love handmade things. I decided my TV wall unit needed an update as well, so I didn't really want to spend the time painting the whole thing. It would require a lot of work, so I opted to put peel and stick wallpaper on the back of it to give it a new look. Then I decorated it with things I found around the house and in storage. And here I put the other half of the salt and pepper shaker that I purchased at Goodwill. And I found a cute little frame to frame a picture of a lunar moth, meaning change. And of course, I had to include a little cute scarecrow purchased from Hobby Lobby. And back in the day, I was a huge fan of Pier 1 Imports, and I found this wonderful vase that I filled with fall flowers and a couple of pumpkins. And then on the countertop, I put my painted pears and apples that I painted in wonderful fall brown colors. And of course, I had to include an original painting painted by my father alongside a painting painted by myself. And lastly, I found an old beat-up wreath in storage, and I took all the old stems and flowers that were on it, and I replaced it with these sprigs that I found at Hobby Lobby, along with some nice orange fuzzy things. Not sure what they are, but they add a really nice element to the wreath. And I'm really glad how it turned out. It has a really nice organic look to it. So all in all, I'm really glad with the way my updated living room turned out. I really strive for a warm personal space, not necessarily a magazine version, but a home that really feels like mine, and I think I accomplished that. What do you think? Please comment, good or bad, hopefully good, but I'd love to know. And I hope I could give you some inspiration to create your own personal space as we enter into fall and winter. Thanks for watching.